In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Lenovo. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. So go into Play Store and download wherever you wish to. In my case, Opera Mini browser. When your app is ready, go into Settings right away. In Settings, scroll down and click on Apps section. Apps and Notifications. Then choose Default Apps and tap on one of those options, in my case, Browser app. Finally, click on the one that you wish to apply, in my case, Opera Mini, and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!